Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel here today. We're back with another video. The driveway's looking pretty empty right now. That's an odd sight. Today is Thursday, I'm filming this on. We're having a party tomorrow night, Friday, for Christmas. It's our little yearly Miranda sweater party, Christmas party, whatever you want to call it. So everybody, Derek and the whole gang will be over here tomorrow. So we got the driveway cleared so people can come. This car will come outside and we'll have beer pong and like other tables set up in the garage for people to play on. And then normally we would do cornhole out here, but it depends on the weather. Like I think tomorrow's supposed to be 67 or 50, 55, 60, 65, one of those three. So should be a pretty nice day. So we'll see what it's like, but getting dark at 5 o'clock sucks. But on to today's video. We are heading over to Brian's house. What the hell is that? Oh, it's just a rock. I was like, yo. But we are heading over to Brian's house and we are going to swap out the front rotors and get rid of that little lip down bottom and that little lip up top. So about to go head over there. It's like a 30-minute drive to his house. Rear brakes are fine. We didn't mess with those. I got plenty of pad life left in the back. The next video you see after this will be us at VIR having a blast. I'll bring in the GoPro. I'm gonna have it on my head so you'll get the good POV footage of me going around the track showing y'all the racing lines at VIR while gapping Derek and Jake at the same time. Let's go ahead and head over to Brian's house and we'll see y'all here in just a second. All right, so we arrived here. About to jack the car up, take these things off.
I think we're doing the parade laps on Saturday.
All right, wheels off that fast. Now he's gonna go get the bolt for the back here, take that down, get the caliper off, and then get the rotor off. Then look at my little hole right here. So I learned that that's from wind coming in this opening, because this opening's a lot bigger than the factory one, and it pushes the thing up against the tire, which makes it like disintegrate. So thought process. So obviously we got my car. Some of the cars that they have here, Brian's wife Nikki has this triple yellow 2016 GT350 that she tracks and races sometimes. The yellow seatbelts are cool. Her main race car is in there. She's got a Bondurant 2000 Cobra, 01 Cobra with the ambers, and then APR splitter, and then Brian's race car is right here. If you remember the video of me going to VIR and racing, you'll know that I went with them too. This is his race car right here. It's a school bus yellow Boss 302, and it looks sick. Right now he's in the process of building the motor, getting a new trans done to it, and then it's race season. So fun stuff, but this thing's coming along well. Alright, so he just want to go get some more stuff, but it had new rotors on with the caliper. As you can see, you still have plenty of pad life left. It's gonna be nice to not have a lip down there now. And these are upgraded rotors, so I'll be able to have more temp in them at the track or whatever, compared to the stock one, which is very warped. All right, so the one side's done. Now we're on this side. I just went ahead and helped get the bolts out the back of the caliper, and then put it on this way, spray it, and then turn it around and put it on the other way. Then he puts on this bolt to hold it down so it doesn't move around, and shift all over the place while you're putting the rotor back or the caliper back on. This side's done, put it all back together, put the wheel back on, tighten it back down, and we're good to go. Alright, so we're done, brakes are done, so now we're gonna go ahead, go get some gas, cause we got 50 till E, and then drive home, and I'll let you know how these things are feeling. Alright, we're back home. It did really well. They look great. They feel great. Car stops, drives really well. So huge thanks to Brian for getting these brakes put on. I helped him out a little bit on the passenger side to make sure that it was all done pretty well. But that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe to the channel for some more. Got some stuff happening with this car soon, so be on the lookout for that. But we will see y'all later in the next one. Peace out. Have a good one. Bye bye.